Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Today's video is about digital marketing strategy. A digital marketing strategy is needed to provide consistent direction for an organization's online marketing activities so that they integrate with its other marketing activities and support its overall business objectives. The digital marketing strategy has many similarities to the typical aims of traditional marketing strategies in that it will provide a future direction to digital marketing activities. Involve analysis of the organization's external environment, internal resources and capabilities to inform strategy. Define digital marketing objectives that support marketing objectives. Involve selection of strategic options to achieve digital marketing objectives and create sustainable differential competitive advantage. Include strategy formulation to address typical marketing strategy options such as target markets, positioning and specification of the marketing mix. Help identify which strategies not to pursue and which marketing tactics are not suitable to implement. Specify how resources will be deployed and how the organization will be structured to achieve the strategy. Digital marketing strategy is primarily a channel marketing strategy, which defines how a company should set channel-specific objectives and develop a differential channel proposition and channel-specific communications consistent with the characteristics of the channel and end-user requirements. Note that digital channel strategy has two components. Many may see it simply as a digital communication strategy. The digital strategy determines the strategic significance of the digital channels relative to other communications channels that are used to communicate directly with customers at different customer touchpoints. Some organizations, such as low-cost airlines, use virtual channels, such as websites and email marketing, for delivering services and communicating with customers, whereas others may follow a strategy which uses a mix of digital and offline channels, for example, retailers which use face-to-face, telephone, mobile, direct mail communications and the web. We saw in Chapter 2 that the ROPO, research online purchase offline, behaviors and click and collect services, remain important. So, the focus of digital mark is decisions about how to use the channel to support existing marketing strategies, how to exploit its strengths and manage its weaknesses, and to use it in conjunction with other channels as part of a multi-channel marketing strategy. This multi-channel marketing strategy defines how different marketing channels should integrate and support each other in terms of their proposition development and communications based on their relative merits for the customer and the company. Indeed, Keith Weed, head of communications at Unilever, predicts that omni-connectivity is a major technology trend and suggests that in the future connections will not only be between computers, phones and tablets, but also home appliances, heating controls, smartwatches and health monitors. The scope of digital marketing strategy. Use marketing automation tools for customer relationship development, as described in Chapter 6. These may include email, mobile and web-based personalization based on CRM databases. Develop the overall customer experience across multiple channels, as described in Chapter 7 in the section on Customer Experience Management, CXM. Maximize the results from partnering with online intermediaries such as publishers and influencers such as bloggers, as described in Chapters 8 and 9. Harness social media marketing both through use on its own site through user-generated content and within the main social networks like Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn and Twitter. Developing a digital marketing strategy may also involve redesigning business processes to integrate with partners such as suppliers and distributors. Sultan and Rome, 2004, suggested that digital technology created opportunities for new business processes, which could also deliver business benefits. Their study looked at three major organizations representing printing, sportswear and automotive industries and identified different forms of aligning online strategies with business goals. Their framework identified these strategic objectives. Cost reduction and value chain efficiencies. In printing industry, technology was used to improve customer service processes and the efficiency of traditionally labor-intensive processes. Revenue generation. Sportswear industry through introduction of direct licensed sales of products. Channel partnership. Partnering with distributors using extranets, all three industries. Communications and branding. All three industry examples were using technology to foster close relationships with customers. The scope of digital marketing is widening and becoming increasingly pervasive, yet the integration of a digital marketing strategy into business and marketing strategies often represents a significant challenge for many organizations. A possible explanation for this is that typically organizations have considered digital media and technology in isolation and sometimes try to bolt on digital marketing initiatives, often creating separate teams to manage digital marketing. A Consultancy, 2008, research highlighted the challenges of digital marketing strategy. The research involved interviewing e-commerce and digital marketing directors at retail, travel, media and telecoms businesses. Aspects of managing digital media and technology which are still a challenge for many larger organizations included gaining buy-in and budget consistent with audience media consumption and value. Generated conflicts of ownership and tensions between a digital marketing team and other teams, such as traditional marketing, finance and senior management. Coordination with different channels in conjunction with teams managing marketing programs elsewhere in the business. Managing and integrating customer information about characteristics and behaviors collected online. Achieving consistent reporting, review, analysis and follow-up actions of digital marketing results throughout the business. Structuring the specialist digital team and integrating into the organization by changing responsibilities elsewhere in the organization. Time to market for implementing new functionality on a site. Insourcing versus outsourcing online marketing tactics, i.e. search, affiliate, email marketing. PR. Staff recruitment and retention. Thank you for watching the video. Press the bell icon to stay tuned for latest videos.